teeth whitening and hygiene naturally at home. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Do you want white, bright, clean teeth at home without any visits to markets or dentists? Then stay tuned because I'm going to share with you a few remedies that will clean and whiten your teeth at no extra cost. Do you know people spend a fortune on teeth whitening and hygiene? Dentists charge a lot of money on teeth whitening and other services. Other than dentists, the products available in the market to use at home are also very expensive, and people are forced to use them as they don't have any other option. Let's start with today's video and find out about the easy and effective remedies that will transform your teeth without the use of any harmful chemicals. Number 1. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional remedy used to remove toxins from the body and improve oral hygiene. This involves the swishing of oil around your mouth to remove bacteria, which turns into plaque and can cause your teeth to look yellow. To oil pull, put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and push and pull the oil through your teeth. Coconut oil is solid at room temperature, so you may need to wait a few seconds for it to melt. Continue the oil pulling for a full 15 to 20 minutes. Coconut oil is the popular choice for this method as it has a pleasant taste and offers many health benefits. Coconut oil is also high in lauric acid, which is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. Coconut oil pulling does not expose your teeth to acid or other ingredients that erode the enamel. This means it's safe to use daily. Practicing this daily can reduce plaque and may brighten your teeth. Number 2. Baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening and cleaning properties. This is the reason it is a popular ingredient in commercial oral products. To use, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with it just like you do with a toothpaste. Brushing with a paste made with baking soda and water can reduce bacteria in your mouth and buff away surface stains. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which prevents bacteria from growing. Several studies show that toothpaste with baking soda has a significant whitening effect. Baking soda removes plaque from teeth more effectively and removes yellow stains from teeth. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been used traditionally for centuries as a disinfectant and cleaning agent. It has acetic acid, due to which it has the ability to erode the enamel on your teeth. For this reason, it is not safe to use every day. To use it as a mouthwash, dilute it with water and swish it around your mouth for several minutes. Make sure to rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards. Use apple cider vinegar only twice a week, not more than that. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties that may help whiten your teeth. These are the effective and easy remedies that are cheap and also save time. You will start to see the difference after a few days of the use of these remedies. I hope you liked my video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video.